Hi, welcome to TechWare Solution. Today we will explore the basic of Amazon S3. So which stands for Simple Storage Service. It is one of the core services in AWS and widely used for storing and managing data in the cloud. So first, what is Amazon S3? So it's an object or storage service that provides scalable, secure, durable and highly available storage for any kind of data such as files, images, videos and logs. And then key concepts in Amazon S3. So first, buckets. So a bucket is a container for storing objects, and then each bucket must have a globally unique name, and then buckets are created in specific AWS regions, and you can set permissions and configurations at the bucket level. Then next, objects. So an object is the actual piece of data you upload a file or image, and then each object consists of data, metadata and unique key, and then keys. So a key is a unique identifier for an object with a bucket, within a bucket, and then it acts like the file name in traditional systems. Then storage classes. So Amazon S3 offers different storage classes based on use case. So first, standard. So standard class is used for frequently accessed data, and then in intelligent tiering. So in this class is used for automatically moves data to the most cost effective tier. And then standard infrequent access. So it is for infrequent access your data. And then one zone infrequent access. It is cheaper, stored in one availability zone. And then glacier and deep glacier archive. So it is for archival or backup storage. And then next we are going to see the security and access control. So first, bucket policies. So control access to the entire bucket. So that is bucket policies. And then IAM policy. So it defines access permission for users and roles. And then ACL. So access control list. It is a grand basic read and write permissions. Next, encryption. So it supports encryption at rest and in transist. Then common use cases. So hosting static websites, storing backup or logs, serving images or videos, data like storage, so application file storage. These are the use cases in Amazon S3. So and then features of S3. So first, versioning. So it keeps multiple versions of an object, and then it is useful for data recovery or rollback. And then life cycle management. So automatically transitions data between storage classes, and then it can be used to delete old or unused data. Then cross regional replication. So it is automatically replicates data to another AWS regions for redundancy. So next, event notification. So it triggers AWS services like Lambda or SNS when an object is uploaded or deleted. Next, so the benefits of Amazon S3 is durability. So the benefit is 99.119 durability is available in S3. And then scalability. So it stores unlimited data. And then availability. So it is designed for 99.99% availability is here. And then security. So it supports IAM, encryption and logging. So security is more. And then cost effective. Only pay what you use. And then next, this diagram shows an automated configuration deployment workflow in AWS. So the services like S3, Lambda, EC2 and app config, AWS app config. So first, the actor. So the process starts when the actor uploads a configuration file of an S3 bucket, and then the configuration file could be anything like flags, application settings or environment specific variables. And then next, S3 acts as the storage location for the uploaded configuration file. And then as soon as the file is uploaded, S3 triggers a put event notification, and then Lambda. So S3 event notification automatically triggers an AWS Lambda function. So the Lambda function performs two main actions. One is validate configuration and another one is start deployment API. So validate configuration is sends the configuration to AWS app config for validation, and then start deployment API is if validation passes, the Lambda calls this API to initiate a deployment of the new configuration. So, and then AWS config work. So, it is used to manage the application configuration safely and in a controlled way. Next, it provides the features like validation and then deployment, then rollback if something goes wrong. Next, Amazon EC2. So the application running on EC2's instance can use the get configuration API to fetch the latest deployed configuration from app config, and then this makes sure that the application always use the most recent validated configuration without needing the restart or redeployment. So the diagram is like that. So in conclusion, Amazon S3 is a powerful and flexible storage solution that is easy to start with but robust enough for enterprise needs. So whether you are hosting a website, storing application data or archiving files, so S3 can handle it securely and at scale. That's all. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or questions, please contact this number. Thank you.